Welcome to Tiny Hands Art.
Yay!
Hi everyone! Today we're going to draw and color a super cute dolphin. So grab your markers, colors, and let's get started. First, I take my ruler and a black marker. Let's draw a nice rectangle. This helps keep our drawing neat. Now time to draw our dolphin. Start with the beak, then curve it into the body shape.
Okay.
And don't forget the tail at the back.
Wow!
Next, add the fins, one on the top and one on the side.
Hi.
And finally, let's draw a nice small eye to make our dolphin cute. There we go, the drawing is done. Now time to add some color. Let's go! First, I take my blue color and fill in the dolphin's body.
Oh yeah!
Make sure to color gently and stay inside the lines. Your drawing is going to be awesome. I just know it.
Yes.
See? Drawing is easy when we do it step by step.
Wow! Nice!
Now, use white color or leave a white shade below the dolphin's body.
Ciao, ciao. Pew, 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 pew.
Wow! Our dolphin looks amazing already. Now color the fins blue.
Oh, nice!
Lastly, color his mouth pink. And we're done. Yay! Our cute dolphin drawing is complete. Did you enjoy this?
Yes.
Now let's do some overdrawing to make our drawing look even better. Use your marker to go over the lines, nice and slow. This will make everything look clean and delightful. I hope you had fun drawing and coloring with me today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tiny Hands Arts for more fun art every week. Bye friends! See you next time!